Manufacturing engineering. Manufacturing engineering or production engineering is a branch of professional engineering that shares many common concepts and ideas with other fields of engineering such as mechanical, chemical, electrical, and industrial engineering. Manufacturing engineering requires the ability to plan the practices of manufacturing, to research and to develop tools, processes, machines, and equipment, and to integrate the facilities and systems for producing quality products with the optimum expenditure of capital. There is a picture of the Ford Motor Company's factory at Willow Run utilized production engineering principles to achieve record mass production of the B-24 Liberator military aircraft during World War II or Second World War. The manufacturing or production engineer's primary focus is to turn raw material into an updated or new product in the most effective, efficient, and economic way possible. Manufacturing engineering is that branch of professional engineering requiring such education and experience as is necessary to understand and apply engineering procedures in manufacturing processes and methods of production of industrial products. A question arises: is manufacturing engineering a good measure? Manufacturing engineering is a good path for individuals who aspire to become researchers in engineering, consultants, product designers and testers, industrial engineers, and professors. It may be a good career for you if you enjoy and get a sense of satisfaction from solving problems. An example would be a company uses computer integrated technology in order for them to produce their product so that it is faster and uses less human labor. So that's all about manufacturing engineering.